Hi guys, I'm Asif Ali and watching CGHOW video. Today I have this tornado that I created yesterday, but today I can control it through my curve. So you can see with this curve, I can change the shape of this tornado. Okay, so this is really cool trick you can do. So let's start this tutorial. So first, if you want to know how I created this material and what mesh I use, you should check this last tutorial 20 hours ago, stylized tornado in UE5. So this is from scratch. So everything about mesh and material you will get to know here. After watching this, you can watch this tutorial. So what I did, this is my last tutorial file. This is the exactly same file what I'm showing here. Okay, so when you will watch this tutorial, you can download this from the link and then you will come up with this output. So what you will have to do now, let's duplicate this, duplicate, and I'm renaming it test. Okay, and I'm opening this test and I'm deleting all other elements except the one. Okay, so in this one, I'm using slender location for the height, so I will delete that. And now what I have, all the particles spawning on the zero. It has the random mesh size. Okay, and then it has this mesh curve mesh that is connected with the execution index. So if it has a height, it will change the radius according to height. Like if I take the shape again and slender and 0 and 100 or 200, you can see the particle which are here on the top of the cylinder, they are bigger, and on the bottom they are smaller according to the height. So this is what is happening here. So I don't need this spawn this shape location. I have 20 particles. Let's use maybe 60. And what you have to do, select this and search here for